The Texans are the most unrealistic sports franchise in history. These people are so deluded and have bought into their own shit to such a degree that they can't even see. Our fucking starting safety, Justin Reed, did not play in the loss on Sunday for disciplinary reasons. Essentially, a disagreement unfolded. This is what I've been able to surmise via Twitter. And essentially, one of the coaches asked a question in a team meeting, and Justin Reed answered that question, and they didn't like his answer, so they suspended him. And that's called shitty leadership. From the franchise, not from Justin. Here was a quote, "I'm actually really shocked at coach's decision to make me inactive. I couldn't believe it." Yeah, nobody could. If I ask you a question, and you answer that question, and I don't like the answer, that's my fault. I asked the question. I don't know how you answering the question is your fault. If I'm the asker, I'm responsible for the context of the conversation.